Welcome to our virtual grid garden. All right, we've got our grid and our water with carrots. We want to make sure that our carrots get watered. So let's start off by looking at our garden. We've got a grid with 5 even columns and 5 even rows. Well, up till now, we've been moving things over column-wise. Now we've got to move things down row-wise. So let's see what we can to move the water down by the row. Okay, so when you specify by row, you start by default at the top. And when you specify the start position, it goes down by 1 by default. 2 starts at bar number 2 from the top. 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, it's starting at 6, but then it's stretching beyond 6 down below. 7, 8 don't really exist, so that's not valid. 3 would work. How about we do -1? -1 is the bar here at the bottom. And because we're talking about the start position, it's going beyond the bar at the bottom down below. -2, -3, -4. So that'll work. But let's just specify the end position here. And -1, when you say end position, it spans by default 1 above instead of 1 below. Anyways, let's go back to start. And we're going to specify the 1, 2, 3rd bar from the top. That will get these carrots growing.